Hello students, how are you? Hope in good health. So today we will talk about balancing of redox equation by another method. Already one method, oxidation one, we had done. But today we will just proceed balancing of redox equations or reactions with half reaction methods. Or you can say ion electron method. So let's check it out. So students, first we will check out certain rules how to balance any equation by ion electron method. First step which you will consider for this method, that is separate the skeletal equation into two half reactions. सबसे पहले आपको अपनी इक्वेशन में ये देखना है कि उसके अंदर which species is getting oxidized or which species is getting reduced. Okay, so we can say each half reaction refers to the conversion of a species. अभी मैंने आपसे कहा in either it's oxidized or reduced form into a related species in either its oxidized or reduced form. So it means that one half reaction will be in reduction and other will be an oxidation. Okay, and second step, after recognizing which species is getting oxidized and which species is getting uh, reduced, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to balance it. तो आपको क्या करना है, balance the atoms on each side of a half reaction by inspecting using that is your H2O water से. Okay, H plus करना है आपको, डालना है if it is in acidic medium और OH minus if it is in base. क्या बैलेंस करने के लिए? To make the balance in hydrogen and or you can say that or oxidation. Is it clear? So सबसे पहले balance the atoms on each side of a half reaction. ठीक है, आपको जो स्पीशीज का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है, रिडक्शन हो रहा है, उनको बैलेंस करना है. क्या करके? क्या? बाय इंस्पेक्शन यूजिंग वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से, दैट इज यू कैन से H प्लस अगर एसिडिक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से करेंगे आप, H प्लस इफ इट इज एन एसिडिक मीडियम, OH माइनस अगर वो बेस में है. क्या बैलेंस कर रहे हैं हम? हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. If needed, do not add any other new species, that is O2, H2, ये सब इसमें add नहीं करना है. Unless already a part of the skeleton, it would be a half reaction. Okay, now next. Balance the net charge across each half reaction by adding electrons, because as it is your ion electron method, तो अब आपको नेट चार्ज भी बैलेंस करना है. वो क्या डालकर करेंगे आप? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ऐड करके टू द साइड विद द मोर पॉजिटिव नेट आयोनिक इलेक्ट्रॉन. आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ऐड करना है. किस साइड पे करना है? जिस तरफ आपके मोर पॉजिटिव net ionic charge है उस तरफ. Okay, so if by this process electrons are added on the left side of a half reaction it is in a reduction. If the electrons are added to the right side, the half reaction is an oxidation. If you add electrons to the same side in both the half reaction, then it means that something it is going on, just something is wrong, or you are not proceeding it with the correct method. Then multiply both half reactions by appropriate factors, usually whole numbers, so that the number of electrons which already you had added is the same in both the half reactions, and at last you will cancel it out when you add these two equations, that is your redox half reaction and your oxidation half reaction. And now next step, add the two multiplied half reactions together. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को, ऑक्सीडेशन इक्वेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों को आपको ऐड करना है टू ऑब्टेन द ओवरऑल रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. लास्ट स्टेप, check it, check the balance. नो इलेक्ट्रॉन। अब आपकी लास्ट इक्वेशन में जो आपने पहले ऐड किया है, अब इस इक्वेशन में क्योंकि आप कैंसिल कर देंगे कॉमन चीजें, तो नो इलेक्ट्रॉन शुड अपीयर इन द ओवरऑल redox इक्वेशन. Not only should there be a balance in atom across the equation, but also the net charge on both the sides of equation should be equal. We will check it out with certain examples. So let's check out one example. Balance the equation by ion electron method. See, Cr2O72 minus plus Sn2 plus H plus gives you Cr3 plus Sn4 plus water. Now first step, write the oxidation number of the atoms involved in the equation. आपको oxidation number you have to write so that you can easily recognize the species which undergoes oxidation and which undergoes reduction. See here, you can check it out on your reactant side. The what is the oxidation state? Chromium plus 6, and here oxidation minus 2, Sn that is your plus 2, and here that is hydrogen that is plus 1, and on your product side it has come after the change, that is your chromium plus 3, Sn that is your plus 4, and H2 plus here 1, and oxidation minus 2. So these are the oxidation, you can say the oxidation number of the atoms. Okay, now what you will do next? Identify the atoms which undergo a change in the oxidation number. See, there is a change in the oxidation number of chromium. क्या change है? From plus 6 to plus 3, and Sn that is your plus 2 plus 4. So you can make out, you know that in oxidation state what will happen? There would be a raise in your oxidation number. So that would be of your Sn plus 2 to plus 4. And chromium, here you can check it out, it has been reduced because here oxidation number, it is getting decreased. It is coming from plus 6 to plus 3. So check it out. Find out the species involved in the oxidation and reduction half reaction. See, Sn undergoes oxidation as there is a, I have told you, increase in the oxidation number from plus 2 plus 4, and chromium undergoes reduction as there is a decrease in the oxidation number from plus 6 to plus 2. So what we are supposed to do, divide the equation into two half reactions, and you will write those species only which undergoes reduction and oxidation. See, oxidation Sn2 plus. Now write on the right hand side the change of the same species with the change in the oxidation state. Sn2 plus 2, Sn4 plus. In the reduction half reaction, Cr2O72 minus 2, Cr means chromium. Here there are 2 atoms of chromium, so plus 6 to plus 3. Now what you will do? You will balance the, first we will say we are supposed to balance the oxidation half reaction. So check it out. Here Sn 1 atom, here also 1 atom, so no need to balance the atom. Now as the increase in the oxidation number, as a result oxidation is 2. So what you will do? You are supposed to add to balance the charge, you are supposed to add the electrons. So how many electrons you will add? You will add 2 electrons. On which side? On the product side, to balance the change in oxidation number. How many electrons you will add? आप किस तरफ ऐड करेंगे? जिस तरफ आपके, you can check it out on the product side. So what you will do? Sn4 plus gives plus 2 electron. Since the charge is already balanced, so therefore the equation is balanced. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं आपका जो चार्ज है वो balanced है, तो आपकी ये equation balanced है. Now balancing of reduction half reaction. See, what we had seen in our previous slide, decrease in oxidation number per chromium atom, that was 3. So the total decrease in oxidation number for 2 chromium atom would be 6. So therefore how many electrons we will add? 6 electrons. On which side? On your reactant side. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electron. It is giving us Cr3 plus. Okay, now balance the chromium atom also on both the sides of the equation. Here already two atoms of means chromium are present. So on your product side you are supposed to add 2. Okay. So in order to balance oxygen atoms, what we are doing? We will add water molecules, the same number of your oxygen atom. On which side? On your product side. And then to balance hydrogen atoms, you will add 14 H plus on the reactant side. Okay, means you will write as many number of H plus as you have your hydrogen atom. So you can check it out here. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electrons. Okay, and here plus 14 H plus. Why we have added 14 H plus? Because for balancing ऑक्सीजन हमने क्या डाला? वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. अब हाइड्रोजन के यहाँ पे 14 आपके एटम्स हैं, तो आपको उसके ऑपोजिट साइड पे मतलब रिएक्टेंट साइड पे उतने ही नंबर ऑफ H प्लस आयंस है यू आर सपोज टू बी एडेड. So now last step, adding the two half reactions. See, in order to equate the electrons, multiply the oxidation half reaction by 3 and add to the reduction half reaction. See here, Sn2 plus gives you Sn4 plus 2 electrons here. So to make the equality, आप उस equation को you will multiply it with 3. Okay, and now you will add both the equations. See here. Now when you are adding it, what you will make it first? See, you are multiplying it with 3. So multiply complete equation with 3. Here it would be your 3Sn2 plus, then it would be your 3Sn4 plus, and here 3 to the 6 electrons. Okay, now you will add these two equations together. See what you will write from here. That would be your 3Sn2 plus. From your second reduction say half cell Cr072 2 minus. Now this 6 electron would be cancelled out. So 14H plus, yes, that you will write. From here, from your oxidation half cell, that you will write 3Sn4 plus. Okay, and from here, that is second from your reduction half cell, 2 Cr3 plus, and that is 7 water molecules. So in this way, lastly you will add both the equations and the common things you will cancel it out. So in this way you will get your balanced equation. Let's take out another example. Cl2O7 gas plus H2O2 aqueous, ClO2 minus aqueous plus O2 gas plus H plus. Okay, so we are balancing it with ion electron method. First what we will do divide this given equation into two half cells. First let's take here oxidation half reaction. See here H2O2, it gives you O2 in the gaseous state. So now you can check it out here. In your peroxide, the oxidation state of oxidation, that is -1, and it undergoes a change of 0. So for one atom it is 1 electron change, for 2 so 2. So what you will do now, balance the oxidation number by adding the electrons on the product side. So here you can check it out here. H2O2 aqueous gives you O2, and what you will write 2 electrons over here. Now balance charge. Here it is 2 electrons. Now how you will balance the charge? You will balance the charge by adding OH minus if it is in your basic medium, and H plus ions if it is in your acidic medium. Here we are balancing it in our basic medium. So what you will do, you will add to OH minus ion on the reactant side. So here you can check it out here. H2O2 aqueous plus 2OH minus gives you O2 gas plus 2 electrons. Now balance oxidation atom by adding water molecule. See, you can check it out here. O2 plus 2O. 4 oxidation atom are present on reactant side, and on product side only two oxygen atoms are present. So where you will add? You will add the water molecules on your product side. So in this manner you have balanced oxidation half this cell, okay, or you can say that oxidation half reaction you have balanced. Now we will proceed for reduction of cell. Now students see, Cl2O7 gas gives you ClO2 minus. Okay, now you can check it out, oxidation state of chlorine, okay, plus 7. Already you are familiar how to calculate a oxidation number or oxidation state of any given atom. So here plus 7 to plus 3, okay, so there is a decrement, there is a decrease in oxidation state with how many? 4 units, okay. So what you will do, first you are supposed to balance the given atom, okay, which is undergoing your oxidation or your reduction. So here chlorine, 2 atoms are present in your reactant side, so in your product side it is 1. So what you will do, you will just multiply it with 2. So now atoms are getting balanced. Now what you will do, balance the oxidation number by adding the electrons. See here, now what you balance oxidation number by just adding electrons. See here how many electrons you are supposed to add. See, now check it out here. See, plus 7 to how many units? That is 4 for one chlorine atom and 8 for, that would be 2 chlorine atoms. So what you will do, you will add 8 electrons on which side? On the, that is your reactant side. See here, Cl2O7 gas plus 8 electrons gives you, that is 2 ClO2 minus aqueous. So now again what you will do, you will balance the ions, okay, or you can say that to balance the charge. See here you have 8 electrons on your reactant side. So on which side you will add your this, you can just check it out here. See here 8 electrons on your reactant side, fine, and here you have 2 minus charge on your product side. So still you are lacking with 6 uh, that charge on your product side. So you will add those many OH ions on your product side. So here you will add 6 OH minus. Now next step, balancing of oxygen atom by adding water molecules. Now check it out here, how many oxygen atom are there? 7 on your product's reactant side, and here 6 plus here 4, 10 on your which side? On your product side. See here 7 and here 10. So still you are lacking with 3, that is oxygen atom on your reactant side. So you will add water molecules on your reactant side. So in this way you have balanced reduction half, reaction also. Now what you will, lastly we are going to add. Firstly we will just multiply with a accurate, that is our whole number. So now what you will do, cancel out the electrons to make the equality, multiply. Here you can check it out, 8 electrons there, and in previous one it is little different. So multiply equation 1 by 4 and add it to this given equation. And so what we have here, when you have multiplied it with 4, so 4H2O2 plus 8OH plus Cl2O7 and gives you, that gives you 3H2O, and here you have multiplied that complete equation. So 2Cl2O plus aqueous 6OH minus plus 4O2 plus 8H2O. Or just you can write this equation in this manner also. So after doing the addition of those two equations, what you will do, you will cancel out the same given entities in your equation. So in this way, at last, this would be your balanced given equation by your ion electron method. Hope this would be clear to you, students. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just take care of your health. Bye, students.